Hey guys, it's Pink Pond Princess back at the lake again on a Sunday. It's on a nice, about 1 p.m. in the afternoon, 78 degrees. We're gonna see if we can pull some big ones in. About to load the boat. I had to get my, what you think about my tackle? Nice little pink bag. Got everything in there. Got my crankbait, my swim bait, rubber worms. We're about to see if we can get it. Alright guys, today we're actually fishing with a couple different things. We were looking at some YouTube videos and we actually came across one that actually used strawberry jelly and cut up chicken breast. So we're going to see if we can catch some big catfish with this today. And also we have some worms. Big worms too. Look how big these worms are. Well, this one not too big, but so we'll see if we can bring in some big bass with these. And we like catching carp as well, so we'll see if we can bring some in with some corn. We'll let you guys see that as well. And then we have some red wigglers. We're actually about 2 of those today. Are y'all down here? There they go. This is my favorite worm to fish with actually, so we're gonna catch shell crappie with these and brim. And then we have some minnows. We haven't actually opened that up yet. And we'll see if we can get some crappie. All right, and let me show you my reels over here. This is the Pink Magic. This is the one that I catch my crappie and my brim on, the small one. And then we have a bigger one that I actually catch. I'll do crappie on this one. And then I like to do my bass on the third one over here. See, I have my pink worm. I got a couple hits last week on it, so we'll see how that goes. All right, we're about to launch. Wish us some luck. All right, guys, we're about to head to our favorite spot. We're about to see if we can get on some crappie and some bluegill. And usually be a few bass over here too, so see if I can pull some big ones in for you. I can't wait. Ooh, this is a nice day. Nice breeze. We have 70s. It's 70 degrees, like 78 on the water. This is the best time to come fishing. Nice and relaxing on a Sunday. I should be watching my Atlanta Falcons, but I chose to come fishing. Football isn't the same since Corona is out here. But yeah, we're about to have a good day. Because I have my 3 beasts with me. I can't wait. It's about to go down. Got the reels out. Just waiting on some bites. If you're the type of fisherman that likes to just sit and relax or fish with multiple poles, you have to get you some bails. I don't know, they have all types of different bails out there, but I like these how you just clip them on the end of the reel and just sit and wait. And then you start hearing a jingle noise and you know what's good. Ooh, I had the camera off, guys, but I got the first one. First fish of the day. And many more to come. You're a little wiggly little thing too. And you swallowed my hook. No! I'm soaked from head to toe, as you can see. Well, you probably can't see, but it's the fishing shirt. What y'all think about my fishing shirt though? Alright guys, that's the end of the day. We are signing out. We only landed 1 fish, and you know, some days it's like that. We actually got rained out, as you see. We're actually pulling out cold launch again, and we will land some fish on the